And finally, the third key ingredient is delivery. Now, think about this as well. Do you think that these three key ingredients are equally important? Or maybe do you think that one of these elements is more important than the other? Think about this. Now, I'll give you my take on this. Now, I strongly believe that the most important phase when it comes to creating presentations is not for sure, it's not design, it's not even delivery. It is preparation. Why? Because it's in the preparation phase that you understand your audience and their needs. It's in the preparation phase that you find your key messages. It's in that phase that you translate your key messages into a clear storyline that grabs people's attention. And so you see, this is not only the most important phase, but it's also the phase that most business professionals ignore. So if you just focus more on preparation, then you'll be able to create presentations that are much better than what we see every day. Then, of course, I strongly believe in the power of design to simplify and amplify our ideas, but great slides are nothing without a great story. So the story always comes first. And then, of course, there is a third key ingredient, which is delivery, because in the end, we are talking about communication. Remember, you can have the greatest idea in the world, but if you can't communicate it, it doesn't matter.